So moving on with simplifying radical expressions, we already dealt with one-term radicals, and now we're going to deal with two-term radicals. And two-term radicals are a little bit more complex. And what will happen is, let's start with a little general format. So what will happen is either in the numerator or the denominator of the radical expression, you'll have a two-term radical. For example, like this, where a and b can be any number. Usually they'll be integers though. And you need to get rid of the radicals. So how do we do that? Well, we would multiply this term by its conjugate. And its conjugate is basically the same thing rewritten out, except the sign in the middle is switched from a positive to a negative. So this is called its conjugate, okay? And this is the term we are rationalizing. So just so we're not confused here. So we would multiply it by its conjugate over its conjugate because it would be a radical expression. I'm just dealing with whether it be a denominator or numerator that we're rationalizing. And so from here all you do is you just FOIL, right? So root a times root a is positive a. Root a times negative root b is negative root ab. Root b times positive root a is positive root ab. And then root b times negative root b is just minus b. And then what happens here is you have these like terms, and negative root ab plus root ab, that just nets out to 0, and we're left with a minus b. So this result I wrote out here. So we started with the rationalizing term, root a plus root b times the conjugate, root a minus root b is equal to a minus b. The reason why I did that is because we're going to be doing examples here, so it would be just nice to refer to that general format.